Welcome to Mike the Birdman of Minnesota. Let's take a look now at the birds that have visited my backyard during my Christmas count of 2024. This year I had about 20 different kinds of birds in my backyard. Here I have a robin staying for the winter. Here's a blue jay and a white-breasted nuthatch. Here's a housefinch and a wintering bluebird. A goldfinch, and here's a junco. A group of house finches. And here's a red-bellied woodpecker. Here's the little red-breasted nuthatch. I had both the hairy and the downy woodpeckers in my backyard this year. And here's a house sparrow. Our beautiful cardinal showed up. And here the wintering bluebirds are taking a bath. Here the birds were riding out a snowstorm a couple of days before Christmas. And here was a first for me, a yellow-bellied sapsucker staying over the winter. Here the bluebirds were enjoying a drink at the heated bird bath. Open water is scarce this time of year. The sun came out, and here a mourning dove joined the bluebird. This hairy woodpecker enjoyed the suet, and so did this flicker. The mourning doves basked in the sun. And here a hawk kept a watchful eye on my backyard. This is a chipping sparrow, I believe, another rare visitor to my backyard. And here the crows came to pay a visit to my backyard. And finally, the European starling came to visit too. The Christmas bird count is a fun event, and I hope you give it a try in your backyard. I hope you've enjoyed my backyard Christmas bird count, and if you would like to see more of this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel.